Yeah, let's get another look at Hurricane Eta. A hurricane as of this morning, it was a tropical storm. It was stalled off in the Gulf and it made its motion to the north, and it is still moving. Notice a wrap around with all that rain along with it. Very heavy rain from the Tampa Bay area all throughout Southwest Florida. Now for us, we're going to be dealing with a few showers from Eta still, so we're really not done with this system just yet. And by at least Friday, we should see some relief from the rain and from the clouds. But notice a few showers already beginning to advance their way off to the east. So Okeechobee, Pahokee, Belgrade, you guys will be the first ones to see this rain, as it will continue to wrap around in the same motion with this system. So as we get a closer look at the south, look at all of this. This is all heading off to the northeast eventually, so we should see that coming into Palm Beach County, Martin County, even St. Lucie. So this will all be throughout this afternoon, where we do expect to see a few hit or miss showers, but I do expect to see the late heavy rain will be late in the night tonight. But look at those clouds that we do have. A lot of moisture to work with. Dew points, humidity running in the upper 70s. That's making temperatures low 80s feel closer to the 90s. But at least we do have that breeze still coming in, 29 miles per hour. So rain chances varying around 20% over the next couple of hours this afternoon. I do again expect to see higher rain chances as we go overnight into your early Thursday morning. Now look at all those clouds in association with the storm completely covering the whole entire state of Florida. Now this is expected to make landfall, but weakening gradually down into a tropical storm late today. A lot of watches, a lot of warnings in place. One of the biggest threats being storm surge for the Tampa Bay area, anywhere between 2 to 4 feet above normal. So this will continue to advance off toward the Big Bend region of Florida, just south of Cedar Key, well north of Tampa, making landfall as a tropical storm, which means the threat for tornadoes is still very high for Southwest Florida. As for us, though, we're going to be dealing with some strong winds at times still, and even some heavy rain bands as well. But at least by the weekend, the storm will be exiting, getting swooped up by a front, and then out of the picture. So we do see some relief from Eta eventually, and then we actually going to wait for a cold front to move through early in the week for next week. So here's a look at some of the rain that we do expect to move in, coming inland, pushing off to the coast by 3 o'clock. A few scattered showers, a little bit of a break then, and then there's our system well off in the Gulf. Look at all that rain ahead of it. This will all continue to advance off to the east. Heavy rain for your Thursday morning from the hours of 3 a.m. until 7 a.m. Scattered in nature, we could see a few thunderstorms, so this will be early in the day, so plan accordingly. But we do see some relief as we head into the mid-afternoon hours. So most of that rain should be early in the morning, second half of the day, clouds lingering, hit or miss. And then finally by Friday, we should see a break in the clouds. Now some neighborhoods could see up to 2 inches of rain total. Now dry air, that's going to be one of those reasons why we do see Eta eventually weakening. But here's another area that we are watching in the tropics. Not a lot of dry air here in the Caribbean. So this area right here, 80% chance of further developing over the next 5 days, but it does move west and we will be keeping an eye on that. But over the next several days, we do have temperatures running pretty warm, upper 80s to mid 80s, from passing through Monday, and then finally some cooler, drier air heading into next week.